Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send emails as attachments in Gmail on your computer. This is a really useful feature because instead of copying and pasting or forwarding long threads, you can simply attach the entire email, making sharing information so much easier and more organized. There are actually two quick methods you can use. Let's start with the first one, which is the drag and drop method. Go to Gmail and click on the Compose button to open a new message. Now, head over to your inbox, find the email you want to send, and simply drag it into the Compose window. Gmail will automatically attach it as an .eml file, just like any regular attachment. If you want, you can even drag multiple emails into that window, and they'll all get attached instantly. The second method is called Forward as Attachment. In your Gmail inbox, check the boxes next to the emails you want to send. Then click the three-dot menu at the top and choose Forward as Attachment. Gmail will create a brand new email for you with all of those messages already attached, and you can just add the recipient's address and hit Send. Both of these methods are simple and effective. Drag and drop works perfectly when you need to attach a single email quickly, and Forward as Attachment is the best option when you want to select and send multiple emails at once. That's it. 2 easy ways to send emails as attachments in Gmail using your computer. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials, just like this one.